Okay, guys, I hope you're having a good week. We want to start off today by looking at some Excel applications. One thing that will be useful is reading a text file from another program. So here I have a comma separated value file. It just means all the values are separated by commas, called a delimiter. And I've got a table, X and Y. So I've got X points 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, and 8. And then I've got Y values 3, 5, 7, 12, 20, and 23. And what I want to do is import this into Excel. And then we're going to learn how to automate that and learn how to write files and manipulate this data. So if you will, bring up Excel and make sure you got this developer tab. It's going to be helpful to us. So if you don't, you just go into File, Options, and you want to look at Customize Ribbon. And make sure that this developer tab on the right hand side is checked. Normally by default it's not, but if it's not, just check it and that will bring it up automatically. Okay, so let's go in and do a file, open, and I will have this file available to you on the Blackboard site, and I'll just call it CSV file dot or CSV file 1. So I'm going to open. I'm going to have to search for it. In mine, it's going to be an example files, CSV example space 1. Now, it may not show up unless you have, if it's looking for Excel files, you're not going to see it. So make sure that you've got this set on all files. So I'm going to hit this, and it is going to bring up the file import wizard. So we have a delimited file, and here we see our data X and Y. It doesn't look right yet, but if I go to and hit next, aha, I got it. So I've got a data preview, I've got X and Y, so it's looking okay. It's not tab delimited. It could be, but I'm using commas here, so I'll hit comma and you can see it separates it out very nicely. I'll hit next, and this is just telling Excel, what kind of data you have. General is what we'll use. It could be only text, but then that would make it difficult to manipulate the numbers. If you've got numeric or text, just pick general. You could have a date. So this is type 1, type 2, and type 3 for the column. So you can see the headings here are general and general, and we'll use that information later. So let me hit finish, and voila, there we go. We have X and Y, and we have all the data points in the X and all the data points in the Y. So next time we'll learn how to automate this by opening it up and using a browse feature within Excel. You guys try this at home and make sure you can do it. If you have any problems, let me know. Thanks.